Hey everyone, we're in El Segundo and we just finished up refinishing some outdoor teak furniture and a few Ipe decks. And if you take a look at the befores, it was pretty gray and it was pretty bad. And then we brought it back to life and now it looks like this. Take a look at that teak furniture. Absolutely amazing. I love that color and I love this style. I think that's made by Gloucester. It's really, really beautiful. Take a look at the Ipe. It's brought back to life, reinvigorated. Now we have a third deck here, and some more teak furniture. And now the decks can be maintained moving forward. I'd say for this particular area, we should come back in about 4 to 6 months, clean, brighten, and replenish the wood, and it'll stay looking amazing all the time.